Hello, guys. How are you? How was your weekend? How was your trading on Monday? I hope you had a good start of the week as we did here. We caught a few good trades yesterday, so it was nice. It was nice. So in this video, what we're going to be talking about are some currency pairs, my anticipation on how they're going to play out throughout the week. Some commodities like gold. We're going to talk about some indices as the NAS100 US30 and the volatility 75. Our all-time favorite. So if that sounds interesting, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to smash that like if you find the content helpful, and share with a few friends, and subscribe so that you won't miss out on the future content. Without further ado, let's start with the pair that's right in front of us, GBPJPY. As you can see, I anticipated prices. So I've already adjusted this, but my anticipation on this weekend was that prices will retest until here before prices, keep on going up. But unfortunately, prices just broke above this resistance without the retest. I guess it had a lot of momentum. It had a lot of volume yesterday. So what I'm anticipating now is still bullish biased. I'm still bullish biased. I want to see prices reach here. But then if for me to enter, I'll have to wait for a retracement until here. If it doesn't happen, then oh well. I'll just be waiting to take my shorts when prices reach here for me to go short until somewhere around here. So that's my anticipation on GBPJPY. Let's see how it plays out. I'll be sharing updates on this pair in my free Telegram group. That the link is in the description below. If you're not in it, please do join so that you won't miss out. Let's move on to another pair. We have US oil. US oil is something else. US oil been playing games with us. It's raising prices and stuff. Okay, so last week we had a false breakout above here. It forced us out. It gave us a false breakout of a bullish bias, and then came back in the zone here. So what I'm anticipating right now is, you can see the bears have kind of this volume here. So what I'm anticipating is, if prices do break below here, I'll be anticipating to see prices fall until here at around 115 before prices create high highs, because as you can see, it's clearly it's still in a bullish trend as prices are creating lows, highs, lower highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and that's a clear bullish trend. So I still anticipate prices will keep on pushing higher. Just think that prices will come and get that bullish pressure at around here at around 115. The US dollar. So what I'm anticipating is for prices, I did anticipate prices to reach until here as a process of filling this gap. So prices have reached here, and you can see now it doesn't have any bullish momentum, and it's kind of gaining this bearish mode. So my first targets for this bearish momentum is for prices to retest this previous broken market structure. And if the momentum allows it and it breaks below here, then I'll be anticipating to see prices push lower until they reach here on this market structure here at around 1263. So that's my anticipation on the US dollar. Let's see how it plays out this week, but first targets will be here. So currently bearish biased on the US dollar. We caught this move yesterday. It was sweet. 1:12, like easy. So right now prices are in this resistance level, and as we just saw, the US dollar just gave us some sort of a bearish momentum trying to kick in. So maybe if prices do give us a bearish confirmation here, we might be looking to short until here, and then we'll see how it goes from there. But currently still prices, you can see they're still having a bullish momentum, so I'm not going to be selling anything there. USD JPY, same applies. We took another. This was a great trade. It was 1:6 though. Also, he took profit yesterday. Okay, no near market structure there. Doesn't have any market structure there. UJ, that's UJ. EU prices, you can see at around 0.618 and 0.71. clearly don't have that bullish bearish momentum that they had. So what I'm anticipating right now is, as you saw, the US is gaining bearish momentum. That means we'll be gaining bullish momentum in the euro. So I'm anticipating to see a bullish move, just waiting for the New York to open so that I can see if we'll be kicking in some bullish momentum, some bullish volume in the euro for us to, you know, take our trade until at around 109. So that's my anticipation on Euro USD. I'm anticipating to see prices, you know, keep on pushing higher from this market point. We have NAS100. It's playing games with that. It's consolidating. Why doesn't it just move, you know? But I'm anticipating to see prices push higher until around 13,400, you know. However, no bullish momentum has yet kicked in, but I'm still bullish biased because this market structure has held and no prices have closed below it. So I'm still bullish biased, obviously. So just waiting for that momentum to kick in before taking the trade. NAS100, you know. We have gold. Eesh. Prices have broken above. Oh my God. Okay. So right now, currently prices are in some sort of this triangle pattern. From the higher time frames, I believe prices will be selling. So whatever is happening right now is currently, you know, short term. But prices have broken above this. I have broken above this market structure. Now we have 15 minutes until this candle closes, but I mostly rely on the 4 hours. So we have 2 hours and 15 minutes until this, you know, candle closes. If it closes above this market structure, then we'll be looking to buy all the way until here before we look for shorts, right? But if that market structure holds and prices break below it, you know, we'll be looking to sell all the way until here at around 1700. That will be a 2,400 pip move. I'm actually interested to know what you think will play out in this currency pair. Do you think prices will, this outbreak will hold and prices will push high until here? Or do you think prices will bounce off here and sell short? Like, you know, let me know in the comments below what you think will happen in gold as we keep on watching it, you know, play out. We have US30. Prices did break below this ascending trend line. So my anticipation is that prices will maybe give us a smooth retest on this market structure here. As you can see, we had a double top. This will be the neckline. A smooth retest here before it continues going lower to gain that, you know, more bearish momentum. As you know here, this is a strong market structure. And if it breaks here, then obviously we'll be looking to see prices short until somewhere around here. Okay, so let's look at our all-time favorite. Let's look at our all-time favorite, volatility 75. Woof, this is from a daily perspective. You can see today prices are already bullish as crazy. All right, so we have our major support area here. I'm trying to measure this. Let's see how it plays out on the 0.618. It didn't take bait. Let's see 0.78. Ooh, just below it. So I think it will be around 0.718, 0.71, this thing right here. All right, cool. Anyways, okay, so that's what's up with volatility 75. Prices broke above this after bouncing off this market structure, bounced off 0.71, and right now its prices are pushing higher. Okay, so it's nice. It is nice. Hope you guys are seeing this, guys. It's insane. It's insane. Prices are going higher. Volatility 75, one-way traffic, one-way traffic all the way until here, with a couple of stops along the way, obviously. But this is a one-way traffic until here. So obviously, with the stops along the way, at around there, another stop at around there, you know. So as prices adjust, these will be our minor take profits. This will be our first target, right? From there, this will be our second target, and then moving on to our final destination. That's what I anticipate to see volatility 75 play out. So if this video has been of help to you guys, smash that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to share with a few friends that you believe will be of help to them. Thank you for giving me your time. Till next time, guys, peace and love. Let's have a great trading week.